There's so many crochet patterns out in the world with videos, written patterns, and it's sometimes hard to pick which ones to make according to the season. So I'm going to show you 10 easy crochet projects that you can make for the spring and summertime. So stay tuned. Let's take a look at those patterns. I want to start by saying if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you get notified when I release new videos. Actually jump into the 10 projects that I picked for easy spring and summertime crochet makes. Now the first one is going to be crochet beach bags. I'm going to throw some pictures in as I talk about these projects. They're just pictures that I found online. Now, crochet beach bags, if you make them in cotton yarn, they're really great to take to the beach. They're really good for poolside. You can throw your, whatever you need, your snacks, your drinks, whatever you need in there. They're really great and super fast to make. There's lots of different patterns for those, and they don't take that long. So that's going to be number one project to make for crochet spring and summertime. Bucket hats. Crochet floppy bucket hats are great for the spring and summertime. Now you do them with the little floppy brims. You can either have a straight brim, you can have, there's so many different ways that you can style and make bucket hats or spring and summer hats. You can use lightweight yarn, you can use regular 4-weight acrylic, you can make them for children. There's lots of different patterns for those. I'm actually going to be doing a pattern for these. Here's a picture of one that I did for my daughter. It was a frog bucket hat. So there's lots of ways that you can make crochet bucket hats for kids. You can make them for adults. You can make them for men. You can make all kinds of different bucket hats. So there's just an endless options when it comes to making bucket hats for spring and summertime. Number 3 on the list is going to be crochet sunglass cases. So I'm going to throw again a few pictures in on this one as well. Now these are great if you just want something to throw your glasses in while you're on the beach, if you're going to be taking them off, if you're going to go swimming, keep them by the poolside. There's lots of cute ways you can make these. You can style them to go along with your bag that you made to go to the beach with you. There's again tons of different ways that you can do these. I will try to make a video on this because I actually want to make some for my regular glasses. So that is going to be crochet make number 3. Number 4 would be crochet flower coasters. Now these are really popular, whether you want to sell your crochet items or you just want to make something really fun to just add some color to your table. And during these warmer seasons, you can make a ton of different ones. You can do them for outside, you can make some for inside, but there are a lot of different flower patterns that you can also do. They're really easy to come up with on your own as well. I don't think I have any on my page, but there are a lot of tutorials out there. This is going to be a really fast make to do as well, whether again you want to sell it or just add something spicy, I guess, to your own table during these warmer seasons. Of course, water bottle holders are always a need in the summertime. So that's why this is going to be make number 5. Now these are not in order of, must-haves or what's easiest or what's the fastest, but crochet water bottle holders are definitely a must. I'm going to put a link above here because I did one recently with hemp, and I found using hemp yarn instead of cotton or an acrylic yarn is the best for water bottles because, as we know, when we put water in our bottles, they get a little weighed down. So having a material like a hemp yarn, it's a little difficult to work with, but it's definitely worth it because it's really strong and sturdy. You can give it a long strap so you can wear it across your body or one to just carry, but it makes it so that your water bottle's a little bit closer in reach and to make sure that you always have that so you stay hydrated during the summer months. It's definitely, make sure to drink your water, but crochet water bottle holders, again, number 5. Now, number 6 is a little bit close to number 1. Now, crochet market bags. Now, these ones you want to mostly do in mesh. The difference between doing a crochet market bag and a crochet, beach bag is the mesh. So definitely when you make market bags, you want to make sure that there's mesh in there so there's room to stretch. If you're adding produce or any kind of thing, they're great for farmers market. They are really popular. You can put your groceries in there. You can make it, pastel pastel-y with springtime colors. You can definitely customize. Obviously, it's crochet. We can customize anything, which is the most fun about being able to do handcrafted items, but definitely market bags. Now, number 7 is going to be crocheted headbands. Now, these are really, really cute. I love headbands, and it just keeps those little frillies out of your hair, whether you're keeping your hair down, you decide to put it up. Just a little lightweight crocheted headband is always a really cute accessory as well, just to add a little spruce to your outfit. But they are really, really fast, and you can, again, customize them. There's tons of different stitches that you can do, and they're really, really fun. Item number 8 is going to be crochet bunting. Now, if you haven't seen these, again, I'm putting pictures in all of these, but these can be great for outdoors if you want to spruce up your barbecue area or you want to put it outside on like your porch. Bunting is really, really cute projects. They don't take too long and they're really easy to make. And again, it just spruces up the area just a little bit. You can, again, put it in your backyard. You could definitely put it inside as well, but these are really cute, easy crochet makes, and definitely going to be making some of these this year for myself. Number 9 is crocheted flower garlands. Now, these are relatively close to the buntings, but you make them with flowers. You can do leaves. There's tons of different flowers that you can make, and these are really adorable inside. Again, I'm a plant person. I love plants, so this is a really cute, another easy, quick crochet make to just kind of add a little bit of springtime vibes. Again, you can do this inside or outside to hang up, but they're just really adorable and really cute. And last but not least, project number 10 is a lightweight crocheted granny square blanket. Now, I like the show Friends. There is a episode in the first couple seasons where Rachel has a blanket. I'm going to try to find one online and put a picture here. And these would be really, really great for the springtime and summertime. Mostly spring, I feel like, you know, towards the end of the day when you just want to be outside, but it's still just a little bit chilly. These are really, really great makes to have because it's something you can throw over you if you like to go camping. It's something really great to bring with you when you go camping. So, and there you have it, guys. There is 10 easy, quick crochet projects that you can make for the spring and summertime. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know which one is your favorite and which ones you would like to see me make patterns for. Again, they're not going to be exactly like the pictures. They'll be my own little patterns, but if you want to see some of those, just leave me a comment down below. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys all next time on Dream9 Design. Thanks so much. Bye, friends.